Changing the color of a hyperlink in Microsoft Word is done through the Styles menu. This is the most efficient method because it updates every single link in your document at once, rather than making you change them one by one. So by default, hyperlink color usually purple. However, if you want to change it, then go to the Home tab and look for the Style group and click the small launcher icon to open the Style pane. So in the list that appears, look for the hyperlink. Right click on the hyperlink and click on the modify. So in the modify style window, look at the formatting section and here it is. And now click the color drop down menu and pick a new color, for example red. At the bottom of modify style, you will see that this is only in this document. However, if you want to link to stay this color in every new document you create, select the radio button at the bottom that says new document based on this template and click OK. So this way you can easily change the color of the hyperlink in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.